Audi A6. Airbag is lightning. Problem is crash sensor g180. Crash sensor is here, located under there on the side, on this frame. You must take out seat. To take out seat is two nuts, 13, and after you remove two plastics back and you push down seat and it goes out. After you take carpet up and you will find this one. Here I see problem is rusted connectors here and here. One is black one even. I think I gonna solder directly and finish. Direct cables. Or you can change this connector and change this sensor if you want to fix. Cut it here, solder it directly, throw away this connector. There it is. There. So, and now try to put back, clear fault code and check what is happening.